Hey guys, it's me Jewel and today is August 13 and plano sana ng friend ko is umalis kami or aalis kami. But then, there is something happened sa kanila. So, not my business to know. But today, magkakape lang muna sana kami or magkakape kami. Like somewhere in Lagoon or somewhere in their area. Pero hindi natuloy today. But girl, it's not a bad day. So we have other choice. Hindi magkape dito sa bahay. So today is Friday. So thank God it's Friday. So what we're gonna do is to have a coffee. Let's go downstairs and make some hot coffee, not cold coffee kasi wala kaming ice. Tara. Ano? Tara. Inaya ko na rin yung ina ko. Ina mo. Pang ina mo. Charis. Magkape kami. So, let's go. So, are na kami sa loob. And look at that. Look at the mess. A day in a life of unemployed slash pasagod kag slash wala negosyo kag wala kwarta wala source of income hanggang na pag ang kulang. Sige para ma-chismisan to. Ari naman niya ang bata nga grade 3 na. Your Pokemon are fighting fit. We hope to see you again. Vlogger, say hi.
Hi.
Hi people of the world.
Happy birthday.
So let's make some kape. So wala kami ice. So ang himuon ta is Hela, wait lang. Wala kami ice. So hot water ang gamiton ta. Let me check. Alright. I got copy ko. Copy mo. And tunga kami da ni mama because wala kami budget. Gamay lang ako. Ay, hindi. Kaya mo ako na kape. So, let's go. For one sachet, 2 baso. So, tapos na ako guys, gumawa ng kape. And nagkakape na ako ngayon. Yan. And that guy is trying to write his name. Kasi sis, grade 3 ako. Fashionista na yung peg ko. Siya grade 3. Hindi mo lang alam kung paano isulat ang alam niya kung paano sulatin yung pangalan niya, how to spell it out or something. But tamad talaga siyang magsulat, ate ko. Na para bang, mayaya ka doon, ti, wala. So, yun. Yun yung ginagawa niya ngayon. So, let me just do my time while having coffee and I'll be right back if there is some ganaps. And actually, the time now is 4 p.m. 4 or 3 p.m. I don't know.
You doing one.
Yes, the whole paper, butangan mo nga lang.
What you what one now? The one that then.
Hey guys, we're here at Laman.
Now would like to get the attention of SA Wedelin. Please proceed to LM1. SA Wedelin to LM1, please.
So, kapangita sa pants, tapi di kayo gamay.
That's lumigaman ang ayaw ng Let's dapat mga gagawin sa pasako, nakasiko, ang mga justice nila.
Hey guys, we're home. So, katapos naming gumala, magsimba, umuwi agad kami. I supposed to crave or I supposed to eat siomai sana kasi nagka-crave ako. Pero dahil may inutos sa amin and we need to get rush, so umuwi na lang kami diretso. Well, actually, I have friends na na-meet, si Rika and si Zane or Zoe. Nakalimutan ko yung name ng schoolmate ko. But anyways, let's just do a quick haul with the things that I got from Lamart. First thing that I got is the light na tinakod na. Tinakod na? What? Gintakod na namon kay wala kami disuga sa room. So, pasensya sa ido, pagahon. May other people kasi dito sa compound. So, kaya. Okay, anyways. So, we got the tissue. Girl, essential. Kailangan ko tissue sa kwarto kay isa din na kami kakaon and I need some tissue with it mirrored. Next is the Sonic Care. Medyo pricey ang amoning nga Sonic Care dito. Kaya 19 eh siya ya. Pero actually, hindi na siya malabot 19. Pero wala ito mamihimo kay pesos man lang. Man lang. And then, I got myself some wipes and tatlo yung kinuha ko. Because I badly needed that one. So far, yun lang naman yung binili ko sa Lamart kasi wala naman kaming budget and nagpa-haircut lang si Russell kanina and then after nun is nagsimba na kami. So that's it for my Sunday. See you on the next clip. Good night. Hi guys, it's Monday today and today it's currently 7:47 in the morning. So kakabalik ko lang. Hinatid ko kasi yung pamangkin ko and magkakape tayo today. So magtimpla na lang ako kasi tulog pa sila sa babati. So hindi ko na madala yung phone ko doon or yung camera ko or mag-video ako kasi hindi ko na pa ilawin yung kasi. That's it. Balik lang ako guys. Hi guys, I'm back. So meron na akong ditong Otap and Mamon galing sa mama ko and then kape tayo. So for today's video, ganito naman yung damit ko nung other vlogs na pinost ko. But anyways, nga naman, malamang pare-pareho yung damit kasi meron tayong washing machine. Last week lang yun, te. Malamang same na damit kasi every week naman tayong naglalaba pero hindi nagtutupi. Okay, anyways. So, yung ganap namin kahapon, actually, nakapag-video lang ako nung nasa Lamart na kami. Pero, madami na kaming pinuntahan kahapon as in super. Like, mga shoe center, gano'n. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kasi tinatamad na ako that time. I mean, hindi ko mahugot yung phone ko and at the same time, tinatamad talaga akong gaganon sa public. Baka anong mangyari, you know. But yes. So, wala akong ganap today. Si Razel, bukas pa naman yung class niya. And ako, I joined again to my friend's vanity page kasi I want to become a reseller of her products. Sobrang girl, to the lowest yung price niya, like multiple of products. But yung business ko naman is food and ceramic things. So you can check out my FB page. So wala na akong main account. Instagram account na lang yung meron ako. Yung for Facebook ko is for business purposes na lang yun. Kasi guys, nasira yung main account ko. So, sobrang, hindi naman siya aesthetic, pero matatawag mo na that girl. Hey guys, today is Wednesday and it's August 19. So, yung agenda ko today is currently 7 in the morning. So, ihahatid ko yung pamangkin ko. After ko siyang ihatid sa school niya is babalik ako dito sa house para mag-clean ng dishes, magkape, kumain, tapos ano next? Check ako ng mga emails and mag-edit ako ng vlog na ipopost ko today. And I think mag-get lang ako ng mga orders from Blue App. Tapos I'll make some things sa isa naming business ng friend ko. So, we'll see kung ano matatapos ko today. And I'm planning to laba, pero parang wala ako sa mood maglaba ngayon. So, yeah. Say hi. So, ako lang mag-isa ngayon because Razel has his class na. So, I'll do my own business. So, let's go. Hi guys! So now, tapos na akong kumain ng kanin kanina and then after nun is naghugas na ako ng mga plato. Tapos, ngayon, after ko maghugas ng plato, kape na naman. And then bihon. Tapos meron kaming bread. So, feel ko, i-insert ko na to yung vlog na to today sa last clip para na-post ko na siya agad. Paborito ko talaga yung bihon ng kapitbahay namin doon na nagbibenta as in simula nung elementary. Sarap ng sarap ako sa bihon.